Hi traders, welcome to our Q2 performance video. We're going to be looking at how did we achieve this 28.03% so far for Q2. As you can see, with all the trades that we have logged so far in each of the strategies, which is us all over here transparently logged. And also we're going to be sharing with you the 3 trading principles for consistent execution. So this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets, Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, here we are on our Q2 performance over here, which has achieved 28.03%, at 1% being £1,000, that would be £28,030. Now, of course, you can risk even 2 to 3%, but whatever you risk must be based on drawdown analysis, which we covered in our Q1 performance video. Okay, right. So now that's that one then, and you can see that every trade has been logged into each of these strategies over here transparently, which we give to our Master the Markets members through our WhatsApp group as well, based on what we are seeing from an educational basis. You can see there's another strategy here and the lift off over here, which we log it all onto this spreadsheet, fully transparent. Now you can see that in this strategy lift off, so far it had a losing month in Jan, and so far it has achieved 1.55% profit so far to Q2. TSL primary, it's about 9.70 with its bigger profits coming from March. And in the one-day exit, which is a very short-term strategy, that's achieving 16.78%, the biggest grossing one over here. Okay, so that's how we have achieved 28.03% so far in our Q2.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Now some of you who are a bit sharp would have realized that for Q1 you might be thinking, Tiru, we have achieved in Q1 22.38, but in Q2 we've only achieved 28.03%. So the jump is really quite less. That's about 5.65% if I'm not wrong. So why is that? Because first of all, the profits are distributed randomly. We don't know when they are coming, right? So that's point number one, okay? And point number two, also more importantly than how much you're earning, as I've covered in Q1 performance video, it's about preserving your profits, okay? Always keep observing and monitoring your drawdown. That brings me actually to talking about the 3 trading principles, okay? 3 trading principles for consistent performance, okay? Which will explain to you more about preserving your profits and maintaining this performance of 28.03%, even though the jump has only been 5.65% from Q1 to Q2, okay? The first trading principle, traders, the first trading principle out of the 3 trading principles for consistent performance is one is consistent execution, okay? Consistent execution. Now you see traders, if we didn't consistently execute, we wouldn't have been able to capture the highest grossing month, which has been March, which is 11.20%, okay?
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
If we had said, you know what, okay, January was good, February was okay, 5.18, and then maybe you would have thought, okay, it's dropped a little bit, maybe let me preserve, let me not consistently execute, you would have missed this biggest month. Now what if the profits had been had come, let's say in the year that you're trading, let's say had come in another way around, which was 2.62, 2.22, 0.81 in the beginning first quarter. What if those profits had come in the first quarter of the year? Then what you would have said, oh, I'm not sure if the strategies are working, you would have stopped trading and you would have missed the next 3 biggest months. So point number 1 is, you will never know how the profits are going to be distributed for that year. You will never know how the profits are going to be distributed for that year. Okay, so the only thing you can really rely on is consistent execution for the law of numbers to work itself out, so that you finally achieve the true performance of those strategies. And in that consistent execution, you're not really even thinking about the profits, you're mainly monitoring the drawdowns, okay, of that particular strategy. Remember, traders, the more variables that you put, the more tougher it becomes to build that strategy, and you're putting yourself a big burden. For example, if you were to say that not only do I want a good robust strategy, but I also want a minimal drawdown with almost no drawdown any month, and also I want to achieve my profits in a very even distributed way. Now that is putting a lot of pressure on yourself to find that strategy that can achieve that for you year on year on year. Okay, so therefore in the beginning, keep the principles, keep the parameters a bit more loose, a bit more easier for you, and focus on one thing, nail it first, which we always tell all our Master the Market clients, is that consistent execution is your first main focus. Okay, so that's the first part of the 3 trading principles. Now I'll cover in the next videos the next 2 trading principles, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.